This video will show you how to create a hyperlink on a page, basically where you can link an image or link a word, some text. When clicked, we'll open up another link, another web page. Let's say I want to make this word star link to something else. So first I'll need to find what I'm going to link it to. So let's just say I want to link it to all books. Okay, so I open up the page I want it to link to, copy the URL, then come back over here. So now I've highlighted the word. I want to make star link to the all books. I'm going to go over here to this chain icon, insert edit link. For the link URL, I'm going to paste that in there. Okay, open in this window would make the link open up the new web page on the same tab that's open. Now if I do open in a new window right here, that will make the link open up in a new tab. Okay, so we'll go ahead and let this one just open up on the same tab. For title, I can just put all books. You can get a little description of what that link is. Hit insert. Now if I hit save, and then if I go to the home page, the word star is linked, and I click it, it goes to all books. Now if I wanted to make an image a link, I could also highlight the image, and then I can also right click. I can go to the icon, or I can right click. Now this already has a link, obviously, because these icons are already highlighted. That means the link's already there, so I can go to the insert edit link. Okay, that's currently going to baby books. But again, I highlighted the image. I can click on the link icon again, paste the link in there, and hit update. And if it is a link on your website, you can just do / and whatever comes after the .com. So in this case, savicab.com / baby-books. I can take out the savicab.com and just put the /. That's why you see this. But that's it. Hit update and then hit save, and now this image would be a link, which is how this image goes to the baby books. Okay, that's how you do a hyperlink.